Hi there, my name is Missy of www.successwithfmmoms.com. I'm actually headed to do the grocery, but before I do that, I just decided to cut this video because, early this morning as I was preparing to leave, I had the realization that I'm actually starting to enjoy doing videos. I'm starting to enjoy, revealing more of myself to you, and I'm also realizing that I'm actually growing by doing this. I before I started doing internet marketing, I was a very shy person. I'm the type of person who wouldn't want attention. Like when I enter, a room full of people, I don't want them to notice that I just came in. I'm even in class when I was still in school, I wouldn't like raise my hand to answer a professor's question. I would wait for him to ask me, and that's the only time that I would, say something in class. I'm that type of person. But when I decided that I wanted to do internet marketing, I know that I have somehow to step out of my comfort zone to be able to achieve my goals, because in internet marketing, you cannot really be an effective internet marketer without revealing more of yourself to your audience, because your audience will not get to know you, and so your audience will not probably think of joining you in the business, right? So yeah, by doing this daily, I feel like I'm really growing, and I feel like I come to realize more and more that this is really what I want to do in life. And anyway, like what I said, I'm starting to step out of my comfort zone because I want to achieve more. I want to be able to realize my dreams of really just staying at home with the kids, spending more time with them, taking care of my children and my husband better, being able to do what we want to do when we want to do it, and be able to go to different places when we feel like doing it. And this is really just the simple things in life that I am after, and I want to provide these opportunities for my family to spend more time together and probably travel more together, because it's one of the things that we really enjoy doing. And so yes, I'm willing to start taking massive action and step out of my comfort zone and do more of this, and really be able to unleash my inner badass like what they say. And what I mean when I say that is that I will strive to impart more of myself to you, and and also to try to learn more things so that I can share with you more things as well. And I would really love to be able to inspire more and more people, especially those who prefer to stay at home, to start doing this as well, because this will do you good in the long run. There's no retirement in this career. There's no retiring age, in this career. And you will enjoy it because you will just enjoy being yourself. You'll enjoy sharing who you are with other people, and inspiring them to also just enjoy being themselves in their own terms, do things that they want without having anybody to dictate to them, how to do it. And so if you want to give it a try, there's a link below that you can click on, and I'll send you more information when you do that. Thank you, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!